Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S95 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate app permissions on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Apps and Notifications. Then choose Advanced, go into Permission Manager and pick one of your phone's features, like Location. Then select one of your apps, like Opera Mini, and pick one of those options. Allow only while using the app or deny. I will go with Allow only while using, so when I go back, I can see that Opera gained access to this device location if I'm using it. But you can also just click on one of your apps, like Google, select See all Google permissions over here, and manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!